Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss a very interesting topic, the differences between basic and advanced English levels and which level of English we should use daily. Let's get started. First, what is basic English? Basic English typically refers to simple sentences and commonly used vocabulary used in everyday communication. For example, greetings, introducing oneself, ordering food, and other basic conversations. On the other hand, advanced English involves more complex grammatical structures, a richer vocabulary, and deeper levels of expression. For instance, discussing abstract concepts, expressing personal opinions, or engaging in academic discussions. So, why is there such a big difference between basic and advanced English levels? 1. Vocabulary. Basic English usually uses common words, while advanced English requires mastering more specialized and complex vocabulary. Second, grammar structure. Basic English sentences are simple, whereas advanced English includes more clauses and complex grammatical rules. 3. Cultural understanding. Advanced English also requires a deeper understanding of cultural context to better comprehend and use the language. So, which level of English should we use daily? It depends on your goals and environment. If you're communicating with friends in everyday life, basic English is sufficient. If you need to engage in professional communication at work or want to enhance your language skills, then advanced English would be more appropriate. Regardless of your current English level, improving your language skills is an ongoing process. Here are a few tips. Practice daily. Whether it's reading, writing, or speaking, maintaining daily practice is crucial. You can improve your skills by watching English movies, listening to podcasts, or conversing with friends in English. Expand your vocabulary. Try to learn a few new words every day and use them in daily conversations. You can use flashcards or mobile apps to help with memorization. Join language exchange activities. Participate in language exchange groups or attend English corners, where you can converse with native English speakers and enhance your speaking skills. Reading and writing. Read English books and articles regularly and try writing a journal or blog. This will help you better understand grammar and sentence structure. To summarize, the differences between basic and advanced English mainly lie in vocabulary, grammar structure, and cultural understanding. Which level of English to use daily depends on your needs and goals. Regardless of your level, continuous practice and learning are key to improving your English proficiency. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what your current English level is and what aspects you most want to improve. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.